Fact 1. The moon is slowly moving away. Did you know the moon is slowly drifting away from Earth? Each year, it moves about 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters farther from us. This happens because the gravitational pull between Earth and the moon creates tidal forces that gradually slow down Earth's rotation, causing the moon to move away. This has been happening for about 4.5 billion years, so while it's a slow process, it's a continuous one. Fact 2. Jellyfish immortality. The Turritopsis dohrnii, commonly known as the immortal jellyfish, has a unique ability to revert to its juvenile form after reaching maturity. This process essentially resets its life cycle, potentially allowing it to avoid death and start over. This remarkable ability makes it one of the few known organisms capable of biological immortality under certain conditions. Fact 3. Lightning speed. Lightning is an incredibly fast natural phenomenon, traveling at speeds of about 220,000 miles per hour. This is more than 3 times the speed of sound. Because light travels faster than sound, we see the flash of lightning before we hear the accompanying thunder, even though they occur simultaneously. Fact 4. Deep sea gigantism. In the deep ocean, some creatures exhibit a phenomenon known as deep sea gigantism, where they grow significantly larger than their relatives in shallower waters. For example, the giant squid can reach lengths of up to 43 feet. This size increase is thought to be an adaptation to the extreme conditions of deep sea environments. Fact 5. On Venus, an intriguing phenomenon occurs where a single day on the planet is longer than an entire year. Venus rotates extremely slowly on its axis, taking approximately 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation. In contrast, Venus orbits the Sun in about 225 Earth days. This means that a day on Venus, from one sunrise to the next, lasts longer than a year on Venus, making it a unique and curious aspect of our solar system. Fact 6. Butterfly taste. Butterflies have a fascinating way of tasting their food. They use their feet. When a butterfly lands on a plant, sensors on its feet help determine whether the plant is suitable for laying eggs. This method allows them to select the best plants for their offspring to feed on once they hatch. Fact 7. Shooting stars. When you see a shooting star, you're actually witnessing a meteor burning up in Earth's atmosphere. Most meteors are no bigger than a grain of sand and burn up completely before reaching the ground. The bright streak we see is caused by the intense heat generated as the meteor rapidly disintegrates in the atmosphere. Fact 8. Gravity's effect on growth. In the microgravity environment of space, plants grow differently compared to their growth on Earth. The lack of gravitational pull affects how plants orient themselves and how their roots and stems develop. In space, plants can grow in a more chaotic fashion, which scientists are studying to understand how to improve plant growth in future space missions. Fact 9. After death, the human brain can remain electrically active for up to 7 minutes. This continued activity occurs even after the heart has stopped and blood flow has ceased. The brain's neurons may still generate electrical impulses and communicate during this brief period, revealing the complex nature of the brain's function and its resilience even after the body's vital signs have ceased. Fact 10. Observations suggest that the universe is flat, meaning its geometry follows the rules of Euclidean geometry on a grand scale. This implies that, on large scales, parallel lines will never intersect, which is consistent with the predictions of inflationary theory and our current understanding of cosmic expansion. Fact 11. Human brain power. The human brain is a highly efficient organ, generating about 20 watts of electrical power while we're awake. This amount of power is enough to illuminate a dim light bulb. The brain uses this electricity to manage countless functions, including thought processes, motor control, and sensory perception. Fact 12. In the vacuum of space, sound cannot travel because there are no air molecules to carry sound waves. This means astronauts in space can't hear each other directly and must use radios to communicate. Their radios transmit electromagnetic waves, which can travel through the vacuum of space, allowing them to stay in contact with each other and mission control. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel to watch more interesting videos daily. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks for watching.